Good morning, students. The last class we are discussing about acceleration. You know the definition of acceleration is already explained, and type of acceleration is also explained. So, if acceleration, if a rate of change of velocity is called acceleration, a formula A equal to v by t. Okay, there are the two types of velocity for initial velocity and final velocity. Okay, if the formula A equal to v minus u by u divided by t. Okay, so this is acceleration of formula. Okay, and the unit is meter by second square. Okay, or meter second for minus 2. So if a type of acceleration is already explained. Okay, and positive acceleration and negative acceleration, and negative acceleration is another name of deceleration and reductions. Okay, and uniform acceleration and non-uniform acceleration. Okay, if a type of acceleration is also explained for last class, correct? So today we are learning about distance time graph. Okay, so what is a distance time graph and speed time graph? Okay, there are the two topics discussing about today. Okay, the first one, distance time graph. So what is a distance time graph? You see the one picture. Okay, so a car traveling along a straight line away from of starting point O. Okay, a car, initially the car, if you are starting from of point O, okay, if you're moving for along the straight line. Okay, and if a distance, the distance of the car is measured of every second. Okay, 0, 1 second, 2 second, 3 second, every second. If a distance is calculated, measured. Okay, the distance and time are recorded and a graph is plotted using a data. Okay, the result for a four possible journeys for next section we will be discussing about. Okay, now if a first one, initially the car at rest. What is the condition? If you initially the car is rest. Okay, so if you taken for x-axis and y-axis, you know the graph. If you graph, if you explain for of this point of x-axis and this point is of y-axis, correct? So if you x-axis you taken for of time, and y-axis is taken for distance. Okay, so what is the condition? The car at rest. Okay, if your time value initially is 0. Okay, and 1 second, 2 second, 3 second, 4 second, 5 second, if indicating for the x-axis side. And if a car moving the distance 10 meter, 20 meter, 30 meter, up to 50 meter. Okay, so what is the explained concept? If initially the car is 0 time and distance is also 0. Okay, so car at rest. So car at rest is mean if there is no moving of the car. So if your time is 1 second, if you 20. Okay, so 20. Okay, and suppose if 2 second is also for the 20 meter. Okay, there is no changes is the rest of the car. Okay, so if the all value 3, 24, 25, 20, the all the value is of 20 of only. Okay, because the car rest of the position. Okay, so if you are joining the point, if you given for the first straight line. Okay, what is the meaning? The graph has zero gradient. Why the zero gradient is mean there is no changes of the distance. Okay, there is no changes of the speed. The evenly the car at rest position. So if a gradient of value is 0. Okay, the distance is constant for every second, correct one, if you, because the car is rest, so the distance is constant for every second. Okay, so distance is constant every second, because if a car is rest, so all the point if the value is same only. Okay, if it the first concept, the car at rest. And second one, the car traveling uniform speed for 10 meter second inverse. Okay, if a car every second, if you're moving for uniform speed. Okay, it is given for the graph also, x-axis and y-axis. Okay, so if you first 1 second the car moving for of 10 meter, correct? If you first 1 second is car moving for 10 meter, and 2 second 20 meter, 3 second 30 meter, 4 second 40 meter. It means if a uniform speed, if increasing for the uniformly increasing the speed value. Okay, so if you the same concept, the graph has also zero constant gradient, correct? Is here also if a zero gradient, because the car is rust. Here also the zero constant of gradient, because if a car there is no changes of the speed. Okay, if initially is moving for a uniform speed, so the gradient value is 0. Okay, the distance is increasing for every second if a 10 meter only, correct? So if you every second, first second 10, second seconds, seconds 2 second is also 10. Okay, so every second is 10 if it gradually increases, so if then gradient value is also 0 here. Okay, and then if a third one, car traveling increasing at feet. Okay, car traveling at increasing the speed, correct? So increasing the speed also, if you x-axis y-axis is taken, if you first 1 second the car moving for a 5 meter. Okay, so if you have 1 second 5 meter. Okay, if you given for 25 50 75 for the each line of 5 meter. Okay, if taken for of each line of 5 meter, so if a first line indicating for a 5 meter, and if a second the seconds to say 2 second is moving for 20 meter. So if you 2 second, if you 20 meter here. Okay, so 5 10 15 20 meter. Okay, and third if you 45, so the 3 second if moving of car is at 45, it's not a even. Okay, because before if you explain for of 10 20 30 for evenly is increases, but here not evenly increases. 5 20 45 80 125. Okay, so what is explained here? The graph as an increasing of increasing gradient, then speed is increases. Okay, so if the three result is very important, the first result zero gradient, the second result the constant gradient, and the third result increasing gradient, because if a car moving for of every second is increasing the speed value, so then instantaneous the speed of the car t equal to 3 second is given for the gradient of tangent of point. Okay, so what is the tangent of point? If you taken off instant of point, if you taken off slope. Okay, so if you taken for the slope is mean, if you explain of the point, uh, um, this point of time value, and is also if you explain for of this point. Okay, so this point gradient value. Okay, so gradient value. Okay, so if you say taken off slope value, is also given for the gradient value. This gradient value is a positive value. Okay, so if you 50 minus 50 minus 25, the result is 25, correct? If 50 minus 25, the result is 25, and 3 minus 2 is result is 1, so the value is positive of result only, so is called a positive of gradient. Okay, are you clear what I'm saying? Okay, if you then taken off the x-axis y-axis value, x and y value. Okay, so if the x-axis is the time and y-axis is the distance. Okay, y-axis is distance. So if your value is here 50. Okay, the 50 is the point here. Okay, and also this value is 20. Okay, so if you then taken off slope value, if you taken off slope value. Okay, so a b c. Okay, so if a b c, so if you taken a formula ac by ab. So what is the AC? If here 50 and 25, here 2 and 3, correct no? So if you 50 minus 25 divided by 3 minus 2. Okay, so 50 minus 25, 25 and 1. So the result is 25. The 25 result is positive result only. So increasing the value is positive gradient only. That's only explained here. Okay, and the car traveling at a decreasing speed is a increasing speed and decreasing speed. What is the result? The gradient of result is also decreases, correct only no? If increasing gradient result here, because the speed is increases. Suppose if a result is traveling of car speed is decreasing, this means the graph also decreasing of gradient. Okay, so how can is a gradient values decreasing, I explain now. Okay, so the time value 0, then distance is also 0. Okay, time is 1 second if you're 45. Okay, the time is 1 second if you're 45, and 2 is a 80, and 3 is a 105, and 4 is a 120, and 5 is at 125. If you taken for, the result is reversely. Okay, so 125 120 105 80 and 45 and 0. If you taken off a graph of slope graph joining the line is reverse only, so that is spin of the car traveling at the decreasing speed. Okay, so decreasing speed is mean if value is decreases also. Okay, because if you then moving the car, if you 125 speed. Okay, for the kilometer for the 125 meter. Okay, so to 125 meter, if you reduce the value of 120 105 80 45 and 0. Okay, the reaching for of starting point. Okay, So if a gradient value is negative, how can then gradient value is negative? If we taken off then any 2 point, okay, I taken for then this point and this point also, okay. So this point and this point also I calculate the gradient value, okay. So how can as gradient value are calculated here? Listen, if a result for um, 1, the result is 1 is 45, okay. So if a 2 is 7, 2 is 80, okay. So the same concept, if your formula using for of the slope value, AC by AB only, okay. But if you put the value of first value, what is the first value? 45. So 45 minus 80 divided by the result 2 minus 1, okay. So the result is 2 minus 1, correct only, okay. So sorry, 1 minus 2, 1 minus 2, okay. So what is the result if you value of result is also for 80, sorry, 45, 45 minus 80, that is the result, okay. So the result for coming for the minus value only, okay. So okay, so if a result of minus 35 by minus 1, okay. So if a result for of the result of minus 35, so minus 35 the result for negative, so is a negative of gradient value, okay. And the same for speed and time graph. So what is the speed and time graph? If you same for distance and time graph, if you say, if you explain for a second one the speed and time graph, let us considering a bus traveling from Tanjavur to Trichy, okay. The speed of bus is measured for every second. It's also for the same concept and distance and time graph. The speed and time are recorded on the graph is plotted in using of data. Okay, the resultant of possible journeys given for of following up conditions. Okay, so first condition, bus at rest initially, okay. So what are the changes, the distance and time graph and speed and time graph? If you x-axis y-axis values changes, if your y-axis value speed, you are taken half speed value, and x-axis value time for the same, okay. What the condition? The bus at rest, initially at rest, the bus as rest is mean if then value of 0 second is 0, 1 second is 0, 5 second is also 0. So every second the bus as rest is mean the speed value is 0, there is no moving of a car. So the speed is remain the 0 millisecond in rest, so then car 0 acceleration accelerated, okay. So acceleration of value is 0 here, okay. Here calculate the gradient value, but the speed and time graph, if we calculate the acceleration value, if acceleration value 0, the bus at rest condition, okay. And if you second, bus traveling at uniform speed, okay. What is a uniform speed? Here taken for of 10 meters second inverse, okay. So 0 second is 10, and 1 second is 10, and 2 second is 10, 3 second is 10, and 5 second is 10. If all the values 10, 0 is 10, 1 is 10, 5 is 10, okay. If you join the line, it's given for the straight line, okay. What is the meaning? The speed remaining at the 10 meters second inverse, so then 0 acceleration, here also 0 acceleration, because the bus at rest. Suppose the bus is moving, but if moving for uniform speed is mean is also for 0 acceleration, okay. So the condition is also for 0 acceleration. And third condition, if a bus traveling with uniform acceleration, okay, uniform acceleration, not for a uniform speed, uniform acceleration, here also for a given for a acceleration, but uniform acceleration, okay. So what is a uniform acceleration? If you have initially the 0 second is a 10, and 1 is a 10, 2 is a 20, 3 is a 30, and 5 is a 50. If you increasing, then if increasing for the speed, initially if you gradually increases, okay. So if a graph is also for x-axis y-axis explained 0 and 1 is 10, 2 is 0, 20, 3 is 30, and 4 is 50. If he is increasing for evenly, so if he then joining the line, if a straight line only, so if your speed of the car increasing by 10 meters second inverse every second, correct only, if he ends the graph is also for positive constant gradient, correct. If a positive gradient is also explained here, okay. One concept, no, then positive of gradient value, the same concept if increasing for a positive gradient value, and acceleration is constant, because if you same time interval of 1 second and 2 second, if you speed value is 10 only, then increases, after if you taken off 4 and 5 also if you 10 only. Okay, so if your acceleration of constant value, if a positive gradient value if you can, and if your fourth one bus traveling with uniform declaration. Uniform declaration is mean if negative acceleration, that is the meaning. Okay, so if your 0 is a 50 and 1 is a 40 and 2 is a 30 and 3 is a 20 and 4 is 10 and 5 is 0. Okay, if it is a decreasing of value, so the speed of the car decreases by 10 meter seconds for every second. Okay, so every second, so the graph is a negative of gradient. If a sorry, negative of negative and constant of gradient, so acceleration is also a constant. Okay, so acceleration, if you have positive gradient, acceleration is constant for the before constant, and is also for negative of gradient if your acceleration constant. Acceleration constant is mean every second is a value is 10 meter second only. Okay, that is only for if you are also for acceleration values constant. Okay, and then fifth one, bus traveling with increasing acceleration. So what is the increasing acceleration? Okay, so non-uniform acceleration is another name for the non-uniform acceleration. So if initially if a car moving for of x and y axis, if a time and speed is given, okay, 0 and 0, 1 second is moving up 2. Okay, every line is a value of 2. Okay, 2 4 6 8 10 only. Okay, so if a 2 is a 8 and 3 is a 18 and 4 is a 32 and 5 is 50. What is the result? If you increasing the speed, is increasing of time, correct? If you increasing the speed, the time is also increases. Hence, the graph is a positive increasing gradient. Okay, correct only. But if your acceleration is increases, okay, acceleration value is not for the same. 2 8 minus 2 is a 4. Okay, but here 18 minus 8 is a 10. Okay, this is not the same value. So if you also is increases per gradient. So if the acceleration is increases, not for the constant, not for a 0. Okay, so if the instance of acceleration of the time t equal to 3 is given by gradient of tangent of point. What is the tangent of point? If you instance of that 3. Okay, not only for the 3, if you taken off any value, if it is in a gradient value is explained here. Okay, so same concept. If you then of 3 value is a 18, 2 value is 8. Okay, so 2 value is 18 is mean 18 minus 8 is value is 10, 3 minus 2 is value is 1, correct? So the result is 10 here. Okay, but if you taken off result here is mean if your result is 6. Okay, so it means if not is same value, so different of value is called of a uniform non-uniform acceleration. Okay, if uniform acceleration means the acceleration is constant. If a non-uniform acceleration means result is positive, is means the result of positive acceleration is increases meaning. Okay, and if a bus traveling with a decreasing acceleration. Okay, so what is a decreasing acceleration? If you once if the value of 1 is 18, 2 is 32. Okay, and 3 is 42. Okay, 4 is 48 and 5 is 50. Okay, so if you taken off any of tangential line, if a result is not for the same value, so the increasing the speed is a decreasing of the time. Okay, decreasing the time is increase the speed value. So is in graph is as positive and decreasing gradient, and acceleration is decreases, not the same value, it's a decreasing of value. Okay, so if then a value is a decreases at the low value, if a result for also is negative, so if a decreasing of acceleration, but is the value is positive, if a result is higher value, so positive of value, so acceleration of the result is an increasing of value. Okay, so if you then this class is explained for the two concept only, distance time graph and then speed and time graph. Okay, and if your next class if you're discussing for of a comparison of between the distance and time, this distance time and speed time graph. Okay, this is the next class.